Hey there! Ever looked at your electric coil stovetop and thought, not again! Let's fix that! Safety first. Make sure your stove is off and the coils are completely cool. No one wants a sizzling surprise. When it's cool, remove those coils in drip pans. It's like undressing your stove. If you're going for a quick clean, just take a damp sponge and give those coils a gentle wipe. Ready for some eco-magic? Measure out half a cup of white vinegar. Pour that white vinegar into a bowl. It's the simple base of our all-natural paste. Now, measure a quarter cup of baking soda. Sprinkle it in the vinegar. Enjoy the fizzy reaction. That's nature saying, "I got this." Mix it up, and you've got a powerful, natural cleaning paste. Spread that paste over the coils and let it sit for a few minutes. Think of it as a mini vacation for them. After the break, wipe off the cleaner with a microfiber cloth. See that shine? That's nature at work. Next, the drip pans. A little soap, a little water, and they're back in business. For tough spots, let them soak a bit. A quick tip: never submerge the coils in water or get the electrical bits wet. We're cleaning, not looking for sparks. Pop everything back, and bingo. A stovetop so clean, you might just want to take a selfie with it. There you go. A cheap, easy, and all-natural way to make that stovetop sparkle. See you next time.